Hello, here I have my Husqvarna 365 chainsaw. It's up for sale. It's going to come with the protective cover for the chain. The chain, as you can see, is not brand new, but it has pretty good life on it. Let me see if I can get a pretty good teeth left to it. Sharpened, ready to go. Chain brake works. I'm going to demonstrate starting the saw, and I'm also going to cut a piece of wood so you can see how it works. It's a 365. It's a large medium saw. It's a little bit older saw. It has a decompression for starting it. And that's about it. It starts, it runs good. I'm going to start it up here. I'm going to cut a piece of wood for you. And you can judge it from there. Let me just make sure I'm on film here. Okay, decompression, choke. Starter switch is on. And there you have it. It's a good running Husqvarna. Husqvarna makes a real good saw. It's an older one, but they made them good back in the day too. And cuts really well. You can see here by the wood shavings that I just took off. Teeth are nice and sharp. Cuts through that piece of maple like nothing. Happy bidding.